guys, this is Omkar from Tech Android, and I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to unbox my new Redmi Note 5 Pro. So after a long wait I am able to purchase this device from Flipkart. Thanks to Flipkart for their awesome delivery, and so without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I have removed, this is the box and I have removed it. So let's just remove the box. And just keep this aside. I guess this is some of the paperwork. No, this is the case. Let us remove that. This is just the ordinary case which you get with the cell phone. Thanks to Xiaomi for providing this. Now this is the device. Now this is my Redmi Note 5 Pro. Well, looks good in my hand. Let's just keep it aside for a second and let's see what. Oh, this is paperwork. Then the warranty guide as well, and then comes the charger. As per my understanding, Xiaomi has not been confirmed that it supports fast charging. Let's hope better next time. And this is a USB to micro USB port charger. Okay, so this is my Redmi Note 5 Pro, and this is a nice device. Hope you like it, and this is from it, guys. This is Omkar saying goodbye. If you like the video, please give it a like and share this with your friends to let them know too. And let's see what if Xiaomi does with their next device. So this is Omkar from Tech Android. Bye to you and peace.